Peace and love, family. Welcome to my channel. If you ain't part of the squad yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all this juicy knowledge and information that I drop weekly, son. You feel me? So, without further ado, let's hop into this amazing, important topic. I just discovered, guys. This is real. This is real powerful information. So, today I will be answering the question, which number attracts the most money? Which number is the best number you should look for out, in the universe that should, be your money trigger number that you should use and write? I'm gonna answer the question, which digit 0 through 9 is the most luckiest and the most lucrative, attracts the most money. So I'm gonna also tell y'all the best number combinations to use and write down and look for and stuff, because all digits 0 through 9 correspond and relate to money somehow, but they don't all help money. And I'm gonna tell y'all which ones are good and favorable and which ones you should avoid. So if y'all stick around to the end of the video, just because all of this is very important, I'm telling you, I'm about to drop gems. Hang around. Let's get into it. So, starting off, all of this is based off of Chinese numerology. So, I'm going to tell y'all how to use numerology and number magic to attract money. Using numbers to attract money. Listen. The numerology of money is an esoteric science that describes the laws of the movement of money and its attraction to human life. Chinese numerology divides all numbers into yin numbers, even, yin, even, and yang numbers, odd. Yin, even, yang, odd. Right? On the one hand, odd numbers are considered the happiest and most favorable. Odd numbers, good. On the other hand, all of Chinese philosophy, right, yin yang, it's all based on balance. So, to ensure such a balance, then, there must be even and odd numbers present in equal numbers. So if there's multiple numbers, it's best if there's even and odd numbers in there, because these numbers have yin and yang energy. They're different, So to be balanced, you need a mixture of both. So it is very good when there are elements of yin and yang in the number of the house, car, phone number, and date of birth. But the main ones, your house, like your address probably, those got numbers, your house address, your car, license plate number, maybe your VIN number too, your phone number, look at those digits, and then your date of birth. Also, side note, when you're trying to attract, with numbers and stuff, I also learned that if you add up your birth date, like mine is April 9th, 92, you add up all that, you get your number, and then that's kind of like that number. If you see that out, you can use that. Your date of birth number would also help you attract money, regardless of what the number is, when I go through all of the numbers and tell you all about them. So your date of birth number will also help you attract money. So we can conclude that in the general case of cars, ones that have the same numbers cannot be favorable. So if you got a car like 4444, that's all bad, So, and we can understand even further that when choosing a license plate number for a car, you should pay attention to how the numbers sound and whether they attract favorable energy or not. Now, sound is important. That's what we're going to be talking about. That's the main idea of this. I'm telling y'all the sound of numbers. So, in China, Malaysia, Taiwan, and Macau, people listen to how the numbers in Cantonese sound. Keep in mind that in these countries, get your pen and pencil, write this down. In these countries, 90% of the motorists choose their own numbers on the basis of a very complex analysis of their favorable conditions. 90% of the people in the countries I just named choose their license plates first off. In America, we don't even choose them most times unless it's some funny shit we want to get on there, like, hey, I eat ass 22. But down there, 90% of them are like, no, I need these specific numbers on my license plate because these numbers are going to be around me every day. I'll be sitting in this car with these numbers resonating this energy around me, and I know that this makes a difference in my life and my money karma, so I need good numbers around me. 90% of the people in those countries know that, what I'm about to tell you. So, this stuff is important. This stuff will help you with your money karma and your financial situations. If it wasn't, 90% of these people wouldn't be doing it. Moving on. According to statistics, cars with lucky numbers resell quicker and easier and for more profit in the future. So when you buy a car with a lucky number and stuff, you can flip it a whole lot easier. You can sell it, a whole lot quicker and easier when it's that time, and they get more money out of it just by having the lucky numbers on the license plate or whatever numbers is on that car. The happiest numbers are the numbers. Let me not say that. That might give it away. You might find out. I might give it away what the luckiest number is. I'm going to save that. But now I'm going to go over all the digits 0 through 9. Get a pen and pencil and pad if you need to, and write all this stuff down so you have it, so you ain't got to keep rewinding and stuff, or But anyway, so starting off, 0. 0 is a symbol of new beginnings, projects, and starting savings. It's like a starting point. So picture 0. 0 is actually, they're symbols as well. These numbers are symbols. So picture 0, that void, that nothingness, that just potential energy. Everything from this void is just, everything comes from the void. Everything comes from nothing. It's only up from here, So, your savings account, picture your starting savings. It's like, 0.00, all them zeros, you know what I'm saying? This is the beginning of your investment. It's growing from here. That's 0. So, like I said, we're talking about the sound of money. So, when these people are talking about numbers, they say, oh, okay, well, this is what this number sounds like. 4 sounds like, boom. So, there's like a word or a couple words that go with them that is the sound of that number. So the sound for 0 is new beginnings, projects, or starting savings. We'll just say new beginnings, starting point. So that's 0. 0, starting point, new beginnings. Moving on. 1. 1 is very successful. This unit symbolizes unity and sounds like win and honor. So, this unit enhances the auspicious meaning of other successful ones, such as in the number 1898 or 1389. It gives stability to the cause, helps to concentrate on one important matter. This is a masculine number denoting a person's leadership position in life. So, the sound of 0, new beginnings, starting point. Sound of 1, win and honor. So, 2. 2 sounds like easy. 2 brings special luck if it is in front of other numbers. So you can already decipher that 21 would be what, class? Easy win. Just like that. Because 1 sounds like win or honor, and 2 sounds like easy. Easy win. There we go. Y'all learn quick. 2 bears female energy. A good number for building relationships, useful contacts. The number of 2 is used in the process of merging investing capital. So 2 is used in merging and investing capital. Moving on. 3. 3 is continuous development, struggle with obstacles, and achievement of the goal, and achievement in the overcoming of those obstacles. Among all the figures, this is the most workaholic. It brings good luck in mastering new career heights. 3 is also considered favorable and symbolizes life. The 3 also sounds like growth and path. The combination 328 is very popular. It means an easy and successful way in business. So, 3. 3 sounds like life, growth, and path. So 2 is easy, 1 win, 0 new beginnings, starting point. There we go. 4, kicker. Listen to this. The Chinese are trying to avoid the number 4 since the 4 in Cantonese means death, so they are trying to avoid the 4 at all cost. 4, get away from me. You know what I'm saying? Miss me with all that 4 They want nothing to do with 4, the Chinese, because they know. So the number 4 in Cantonese means death. The most unfavorable combination is 2-4, meaning easy death. Avoid it because you don't want an easy death, right? Or death at all, you know. But in combination with 5, it is not so dangerous because 5 is no or will not. So 45 sounds like there will be no death. And most important rule, never put 4 at the end of a numerical combination. Never put 4 at the end of anything. Don't get away from 4. Don't use 4 at all, but don't ever have anything to do with a combination that has 4 at the end. So 5, like I said, 5 is no or will not. 5 should not be combined with other favorable numbers since its meaning is no or will not. It will only weaken luck. However, abundance and prosperity is in the significance of this number. It's still good. You just shouldn't use it with anything because it turns it into a negative. It's like it means no or will not. So, you know, if it was like 5-3, it would be like, you know, no life, no growth. It's all bad. Moving on. 6. 6 is very favorable. It means wealth or income. And not only that, 6 is double 3. So 6 also means doubled growth, which is very good. Watch 6, use 6. Doubling that of everything you have. If your license plate number, for example, is 1368, that means you are lucky and your wealth will double all the time. And the combination 6-8 means a lot of money. So 6, wealth, income, and doubled growth. The main thing 6 is doubled growth, and doubling and just, you know, growing double time. Then 5 was no, will not. 4 is death. 3 is life, growth, path. 2 is easy. 1, win, honor. And then 0, new beginning, starting point. Moving on. 7. 7 means confidence or for sure. For example, the combination 78 means guaranteed blank. I haven't told you what 8 is yet. But do not use 7 with unfavorable numbers. So the combination 57 will express no confidence, and 74 will surely die, you know. So 8. 8, the sound of 8 is enormous wealth and prosperity, or great wealth, prosperity. 9 is also very successful. It symbolizes health, longevity. So, to recap all of those, go through them again real quick. 9, health, longevity. 8, great wealth, prosperity. 7, confidence or for sure. 6, wealth, income, doubled growth. 5, no, will not. 4, death. 3, life, growth path. 2, easy. 1, win or honor. And then 0, new beginnings, starting point. So, which one is the wealthiest, the best number to use, the most luckiest? You probably guessed it. It's the number 8. 8 is considered the most favorable and happy number. 8 brings enormous wealth and prosperity. The 8 also symbolizes growth and development, as is interpreted as great wealth or prosperity. So 18 means rich gain, and 88 would mean extraordinary wealth, because you got 8, which is wealth, enormous wealth, and then you got another 8, which is even more wealth. So you just got extraordinary wealth. So, and going to back to the yin and yang, you want balanced numbers, even and odd. The only time that's null and void and out the window and doesn't matter is when it's 8s. 8, 8, 8, 8, 4 8s is fine because of what 8 is. But any other time, you don't want the same number like that. So now y'all can go amongst and into the world and choose your own lucky numbers for yourself. Of course, you guys are probably going to pick numbers like 2688, which means money flows to me easily, or 9988, which would mean longevity and wealth, or even better is the option 7968, which is excellent health, longevity, and a doubling of wealth. So, boom, there it is, guys. I gave you everything I know on numbers and how to attract money with numbers, how to manifest money, and all that simply with using numbers. Yeah, that's all I got, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.